Welcome to Henry's show.
Hi, I'm your friend Henry. Today, the last review in Smart Phonics 1 finally came. After that, we finished student book. Listen right in circle. I'm not going to listen to the CD, so I'm going to say the word and we're going to circle that word and write what begins with octopus. Octopus. Oh, great. Nut. This. Well done. Yo-yo. Great. Yo-yo. Number 4. Rabbit. This. Well done. Great. We finished it already because we learned it already, so it's easy peasy lemon squeezy. Now, this is still listening, so I'm going to say, now pig. I will already do that. Ring. What the ring begins with? Ring begins with R. We can trace it. Number 3. Quiet. What quiet begins with? Quiet begins with Q. Number 4. Zoo. Zoo. What zoo begins with? Zoo begins with C. There's a line on it. Number 5. Window. Window begins with W, right? And there's a line on it. Number 6. Face. There's a line on it. Number 7. Tent. There's T. There's a line. Number 8. Yo-yo. Yo-yo begins with? Yo-yo begins with Y. Write it and trace a line. 9. Map. What map begins with? Map begins with M. Number 10. Sock. What does sock begins with? Sock begins with S. Let's trace a line there. Let's turn to the next page. Let's chant. I don't have a CD and I don't know how to chant, but it's easy and fun to do it. So you can put CD inside the computer and listen to it. Now, octopus, ostrich, and ox begins with O, so they did like this. Now, R, ring, and more. Ostrich, no, they already did that. Top, no. Rabbit, yes. You have some problem with the rabbit first. We have to find another one. Violin, no. Robot, yes. And rabbit. That's why. If we do like this, I know we can do like this, but we need to do like that. R. T. We don't need to do this. We finished this. T. Violin? No. Robot? No. 0? No. Tiger? Yes. Wait till I trace that is correct. Wait. Vest? No. Tent? Yes. And zoo? No. Zebra? No. Face? Yes. So? No. Face? No. Wait. This top I forgot. Sorry. That means we're going to do like this. Top. Tiger and what was it? Tent. T. Number 4, V. Now we finished this, so we don't need to worry about that V. The violin starts? Is great. Does robot start? No. Does 0 starts? No. We already did tiger. Already? No. Yes. This is correct. Red. We already did this. The zoo starts with? No. Yes. No. The zebra starts with? No. The face starts with? Yes. V. The Z. Right? 0. Zebra. Zoo. So, page 66, the last page. Find a circle. This is a robot, so we should do like this. This This is a quiet Q, capital Q and lowercase q. This is a map, MM. This is a violin, V. This is a C, S. This is an ostrich, so O. Now, I'll teach you how to play this game. Pick one flashcard. I have two. What the flashcards that starts with M and that ends with C. That starts with C. M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. That starts with this, okay? So you need to cut it all of it. And I think I know. Okay. Now with the cards, I think only the picture will need to be seen. Make sure that only the picture needs to be seen. And you have to start with start and go. But if you have orange stone, you have to go back 2 spaces. But if you have pink stone, go 2 spaces. And if there's an arrow, you can go up. And if there's there, I think you can go there. To Y. And if you have there, down, you have to go down there. Whoever gets this finish wins. You have to save the little girl. Now we finished Smart Phonics 1 student book. Now goodbye. Now next time we're going to learn Smart Phonics 2 student book. I'll bring and let's learn together. Thank you for learning and helping me when I was teaching, and thank you for listening clearly what I am teaching. In unit 1, 2, 3, 4, review 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, review 2. Oh, just 10 things. And please subscribe Henry's show. I will teach you best that you can be more smart. Are you ready? Drink Smart Phonics 2. Me too, I'm really ready. Now, see you next time. Bye!